crew, I think we found the scent of the season. So today we have the holiday treat Dove limited edition sugar cookie body wash. Once again, we have the holiday treats Dove limited edition sugar cookie body wash. This scent smells so good. If you love cookies, if you are into sugar cookies, I recommend you trying this scent. As you all know, I love Dove. If you have seen my older videos, I love Dove. I always had Dove as the brand. Never plan on switching. So let's get into it. So we're not going to mind this little mark right here because I guess that's where somebody had spilt it out. But this soap smells so good. I mean, when I mean so good, I mean so good. Just like sugar cookies. So I don't know if you could see, but here's what it is on the inside. And I just got this like on my trip. So I just got this on my trip because I went hygiene shopping while I was there. Yes, I went to go visit dad and family, but I got this on my trip because I wasn't sure. Coming back home, I wasn't sure if I had any soap and everything because my sister just left for college, so I don't know if she took it. So that's why I bought my own Dove sugar cookie body wash. And they had all kind of scents, excuse me. Not just Dove sugar cookie. I just picked out sugar cookie because I love sugar cookies. Like, I love sweets. So I picked out Dove sugar cookie. So we all know I don't go too in-depth on the back, but if you would like to read the back, here's a little glimpse. There's a glimpse of the back. I don't know how much this cost because I did get it in Walmart, not here, but when I went out of town to visit family. So I won't really be able to tell you how much it is because I didn't get it here. I got it when I went out of town. So I won't be able to really tell you the price. You just have to kind of look it up yourself and see if they have it in your state or your country and find out the price there, because I know everybody's different when it comes to how much stuff is. So just figure out what scent you like. And I'm sure if you don't do the brand Dove, I'm pretty sure they have this scent in other brands. I just don't switch brands because I have never, like, I'm scared to switch brands because I always have been with Dove, and switching to another brand for me is like, will this mess up my skin? Would this make me irritated? Like, I just never know, so I just stick with Dove. But this is great for any time of the day. You can use a loofah to go with it. A loofah, like, to put this on your loofah and then put it under the water and then like scrub. But you can still use this as a regular washcloth. I'm just so used to using a loofah for my body and then a rag for my other parts. So that's why it tripped me up when I was using my body wash there. Not this one because I just got it, but the other body wash that I had, I just felt uncomfortable using it there because they didn't have body wash. They had bar soap. And I'm like, who still uses bar soap? Like, if you do, no shame. Let me know in the comments down below if you do still use bar soap. I never used bar soap. So when I do have to use it, it just feels weird on my skin because I never used bar soap. So when I went to my dad's house, I was like, I don't feel clean. Let me blend in my Dove soap. Like, this I didn't have at my dad's because, like I said, I just got it. But I had another scent of Dove there, and I wasn't comfortable using the bar soap, so I used this soap. So it's just what your preference is and what you prefer to use as far as your scents. So this is limited edition. Limited edition. That's why I recommend you to go ahead and get those scents, like, if you can, if you see them, because they don't sell them all the time. They don't have these scents like sugar cookies and I don't know, mint. Like, they don't have all these scents all the time. So when they do, this is why I like to pick this stuff up. I'm not really a fan of sensitive skin Dove. I tried it and it's great, but it's just the texture for me in Dove sensitive skin. I use it, but I don't really like it because I guess for me, it's the texture versus if I picked up something like this, like a Dove sugar cookie. I like the texture of these, like in the different scents, but the texture for the sensitive Dove skin, I would use it, but it's not a favorite because I don't like the texture. But let me know if you are a Dove sensitive skin type of girly. Or do you prefer a scent like me? Like, I prefer a scent because I love to smell good. I hate walking around stinking. I hate walking around smelling other people. So this is why I pick it up in the scent instead of the sensitive skin. Because I want to make sure I can smell my scents. I want to make sure I smell good when I get out of the shower. I want to be able to smell it and be like, I smell like cookies. So that's why I prefer a scent with a Dove soap with scent in it instead of sensitive skin. Like I said, nothing wrong with sensitive skin. I do have one in the shower now, but it's not mine. I think it's my sister's. But I used it and I said, nothing hating on Dove sensitive skin. But I prefer Dove scents like the Dove sugar cookies. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this new Dove sugar cookie scent? Let me know your thoughts. Give me some video ideas because I am back. Let me know down in the comments down below. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and turn on your all bell notifications.